In photography, the exposure triangle is a fundamental concept that helps you control the amount of light that reaches your camera's sensor. It consists of three key elements: ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. Let's start with ISO. ISO is a measure of your camera's sensitivity to light. A higher ISO means your camera is more sensitive to light, allowing you to take pictures in low light conditions. However, higher ISO settings can also introduce noise or grain into your images. Next, we have shutter speed. Shutter speed controls how long your camera's sensor is exposed to light. A faster shutter speed freezes motion, while a slower shutter speed can create motion blur. Finally, there's aperture. Aperture is the size of the opening in your lens that controls how much light enters the camera. A wider aperture, smaller f-number, lets in more light, while a narrower aperture, larger f-number, lets in less light. Aperture also affects depth of field, which is the area of your image that is in focus. The exposure triangle is a balance between these three elements. If you change one, you'll need to adjust the others to maintain the correct exposure. For example, if you increase the ISO, you can use a faster shutter speed or a narrower aperture to compensate. Understanding the exposure triangle is essential for taking great photos. By mastering these three elements, you can control the look and feel of your images. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.